Hello, and welcome to another episode of Breaking News. My name is Ricardo Valls. I'm the president and founder of Valls Consultant. And in today's episode, I will be explaining a technique that I use very frequently. It's called the RCC, or Range Correlation Coefficient, which is a method that I developed many years ago. And I will make this video to explain step by step how to do it, and also how to make a graphical representation of the obtained RCC. Here in this table, I am only showing you the significant correlations. And in order to do that, we use the formula. It's called the student criteria. The copper will be in the denominator, and the nickel, because it had been shown a second time, will have the same asterisk. And we will continue doing this until we get to finish. We know that cadmium is 4.22 centimeters away from the goal, but that doesn't fix a point in space. We need to have 2 points in order to fix it. And if we look here, the cadmium has also a 4.24 distance from the copper. So it's 4.24 from the copper and 4.22 from the gold. We take our circle and we make two circles, one of 4.22, one of 4.24. And in that place where both circles intersect, that will be the position for the cadmium.